Good morning, guys, and finally we see blue skies again and the sun is up. Init na. Yet of course we're still in the process of recovery. Padre sa Cebu, there's still people nawa and being na pay retrieval operations, kina pa mga 79 people who are missing, diba? So muna, welcome to November 10, 2025. Yeah, and we're here in Cebu City. So ato lang kuha natin is mana, we just came off, last week we had a very challenging week, I would say. Kanang bagyo, baha. November 11 na deron. Welcome to November 11. 11/11/2025 Shopee sale. Pero di nagkunaon ng mga tao ron sa sale sa Cebu, especially because it's a challenging time. It's a challenging just came up typhoons. Even our friends sa north, dito Isabela, mga Aurora, they also had a pretty intense typhoon called Uwan, and nagsang nagumpa, diba, na destruction sa yun, and makaingon yun ko na kuhaan yun lisod na time ba. I mean, people are still reeling from that. And by the way, dako kayo more hype and thankful ang mga tao dito sa Luzon because naprotektahan ko na sila, nihinay ang bagyo tungod sa Sierra Madre Mountains, and that's a fact na after mo landfall dahil mo agi to Sierra Madre ang bagyo, mawala ginang mga mata, muhinay gina. I mean, it accelerates the deceleration. So kayo mupaspas ang paghinay. Okay, naibukid sa tinuod na dili kayo maapektuhan ng uban. So ingana ka importante ng ingana mountain ranges. I don't know, ingana sa giti pag-design ang geology na to na. It's kinda interesting lang ba. We have these mountain ranges that protects us from the strong typhoons. Unfortunately ang sa Cebu wala na ta because kipang upawa na to mga mountains, and Sierra Madre also is at risk kasi mga tao na daghan kaya naglaway-laway, hinam-hinam na i-develop na or unsa na ilang labta ng na mountain range. So hindi na malikaya nato na naging mga tao na all in the name of development and progress na pag ilang hiwaon ang bukid, or they call it the paved paradise, to put up a parking lot. So na ikuha na to and usay because nidaghan na kay tao, and because we always want to as we say, we progress, move forward. So diba, ang challenge always nato na kinahanglan magunta mas better. I don't know why we are so obsessed with growth ba na uban na naman. We're so obsessed with growth, mamaligya. If you're in sales, you've been in sales, or if you're in business, you always want to improve your numbers. You want to have bigger income, higher sales, diba? Lower expenses. So mo naman ma-pressure yung i-pressure mo kaugalingon na mo increase, which na may mga materyales or mga butang na finite lang na dili ba na mga kahoy sa finite number o kanang yuta o sa manang usay mapugos na tag reclaim, mapugos na mga tao og reclaim unsa pa mo clear up tag mountain, ikaingay na to because lagi because we are so pressured to get better numbers, better figures, higher sales, higher income. So in a way mo ingon ang mga tao eventually mao na masubrahan na ka, may mo na kang hangol, greed, di ba? Di ba na sometimes ang goal sa tao magud is never enough. It's not about having enough. It's not about money typical, but really having enough. You always want to have more. Maximize. We love those terms, di ba? Maximize, increase, improve. Mali, wala na. Ang danger na sige tag-obsessed ng improve, increase is we do stuff really which is bad for the environment. So mo nang kuha na ba? May drawback na may lisod. Kay tungod obsessed kita na mo saka. So manay ko na usahay na it will lead to some kaning mga natural disasters. Usahay mo worsen na siya karabang ma-aggravate pa kay di ba wanay kapadungan ng tubig baha na di ba kay inyo manggi putol ang mga kahoy or inyo manggi simento ang mga yuta, and that's the normal one yun. That's what's gonna happen. Hinatilan, MDRMO, hinatilan. Matabang tinis lang sa mga rescue and relief effort or retrieval efforts dito sa norte. Di ba? Manang inabangay lang kita. And that's nice to know na magtinabangay ang mga LGUs ba. Pero malagi na. Pag ginayin ko na to na we have to rethink the way we should develop our country. Unsa dapat ang atong buhaton sa atong country, ato na i-rethink. Are we gonna rely on, let's say, di ba focus kita sa tourism, usahay na come to think of it, dapat kita kuan na kayong tourism. Ang lisod kung iyabo na to tanan natong investment sa tourism industry ba is the tourism industry is not weather proof. Diba? It's not calamity proof. So kung ang atong source of income puro na lang tourism kansay diha na to ibutang ba atong investments, lisod man sad kay mali na we're the country that's gonna be hit by natural calamities. Pero pinaka diba? Kung ipon lang ang typhoons and storms, even earthquakes in 1 year, I think the Philippines is one of the most prone or when it comes to natural calamities. So if vis-a-vis mo kung mag-invest ka sa tourism na ibutang, so meaning na yung mga seasons yun na patay ang turismo. Kay lisod man ang turismo, kay tourism could be seasonal. Nindot yung kuhan ka ng Pilipinas gikan from December to let's say April, because it's summer, init, diba, why bagyo. But pag abot ang mga Mayo to November gano ni abot ang November, delikado, di ba? Kung if you're gonna travel to the Philippines, you might be dealing with flight cancellations, di ba? Kada bang hindi mo ma-enjoy kay let's just say bad weather. And mao na ikuha na to ba na i-think na to na ang tourism, yeah, while it could be a major part of our economy, dapat also natay mga mas kuan ba, mas weatherproof na industries that we can rely on. Diba kana ingana ba? Okay, sige tagkuan about tourism lang, pero mana karon itay flat ang tourism, then among daghan a big chunk of our country will be suffering at mga hotels atong and also about yung panahon sa mga hotels to think about their pricing. Dapat ilang ibarato during this off season, kaning ani na season manawa by Disyembre or during ting-uwan. Mahal magyapon kaayo we see hotels pricing or pag swerte lang may nakanto ka stay may itong buwan na 4,000 tingali lipay na yan to, pero sa uban kuhan ba dako na kaya 4,000 kabi na kung 4,000 tingali is good mga staycation mo, pero kanang katulgan ra ng hotel, di ba? Oo. Mga tourism dito ang target. Ang hotel katulganan ra ba yan? Di ba yan na? Di ba yan gina? Di ba yan na tambayan gina? Di ba yan na buhian? Oo. Kung especially for a tourist mo explore sa Cebu, hindi na nila nanglan ila ng huna-hunaon nilang pricing, di ba? Visa pila ka oras din magstay ang turista sa ilang hotel. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Medyo traffic lang taga mayroon, and good thing the sun is up. Hopefully kato kananglan ipangita na mga retrieval clearing operations mapaspas na with a better weather. So makampo lang yapon ta together because it's really a tough time, and Pit Senior, Sangpitan Senior Santo Niño, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.